Welcome to the preview of Deconstructing a Mandarin with Graphite Pencils. This is just a short session to give you an idea of what the 30-minute instructional video is about. I'm Wendy Welch, and as you can see by the image on the screen, we're going to be taking a mandarin apart and drawing each section of it. And the idea is to not just draw fruit, but to experience the fruit through different senses. So by taking it apart, you're touching it, you're getting a feel of the texture, you're getting a sense of the smell, and most likely during the process, you'll eat one or two segments. So it's more than just a simple drawing of a fruit. And the other thing that I want to talk about in the video is that, how do you arrange things on a page so that you're not just thinking about drawing the object, but you're thinking about the where things are and the composition. And it's a fairly simple supply list. You can see a graphite pencil set, a pencil sharpener, eraser, scissors, all-purpose sketchbook, and a mandarin, maybe two in case you decide you want to eat one. Okay, so we'll use, of course, we'll use a real mandarin, but this is just a photograph so you can see the pieces. So the first step is we take the peel off, and then, well, first we draw the mandarin as a whole, then take the peel off and then draw the sections. And we'll use a range of graphite pencils. And this set starts with a H and then goes to a 9B. So we work mostly with the Bs through to the 9Bs. And one of the things you'll learn is the idea of layering. How do you layer graphite pencils to get the darkness? So this is the drawing we'll end up with. So we'll talk about, how to draw shadows and, how to work with the texture, how to get the texture of the fruit, and using your eraser, not only to correct, let's say, inaccuracies, but also to use it as a blending tool. So that's basically what we'll cover in the 30 minutes. So we'll go through the process of drawing the full mandarin, the mandarin with the skin taken off, half the mandarin, and then a segment, and then the skin, which becomes almost like a sculptural object. So look forward to seeing you in the full video of drawing a mandarin with graphite pencils.